Hi, baby. What you doing? She got the hiccups. She had a good dinner. Kelsey's officially 3 weeks old. Yeah. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing over there? Hi. 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 What are you doing? What are you thinking? Oh, hiccups. Hiccups.
Does it pick up the sound?
Yes. Kelsey Keith has the hiccups.
Hanging out.
Mm-hmm.